I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Bricks. To successfully integrate with Bricks, select Custom from the Form's Actions setting. Now navigate Bricks Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Custom from drop-down. Click the Save icon to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page, select a form. Click Next. Search and select Affiliate. Connect with the plugin. Plugin connected successfully. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Actions and conditional logic have advanced features. You can use them as per your requirements. You can add referral status and referral type under the Action section. To complete this integration, you must log in to your WordPress account. Next. Finish and save it. Please fill in the necessary information on your form using the variable data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to your affiliate dashboard. Then navigate to the referrals. You can confirm that the data has been received successfully in the referrals section. Thanks for watching.